Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the brain song for memory, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, the brain song promises improved memory and brain function through listening to a special audio track daily. It claims to use a scientifically backed method involving sound waves to enhance your mental clarity and memory power quickly. Unfortunately, many Trustpilot reviews paint a very different picture. Customers report multiple unauthorized charges, sometimes for several copies of the product. Others mention receiving scam alerts from their banks right after ordering. There are also concerns about fake endorsements and questionable science behind the product. The red flags are there are multiple unwanted charges reported, no verified scientific backing, false or misleading testimonials, and poor customer service and refund issues. Now, for the final verdict, based on the user feedback and red flags, the brain software memory looks more like a scam than a genuine brain booster. Be careful, be cautious, and avoid giving your payment details to avoid getting ripped off. Thanks for tuning in. If you've had any experience with this product, share your story below. Remember to always check reviews and protect yourself from scams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there.